Ningbo Borske Vehicle Parts Company Limited, established in 2014, is a company engaged in the research, development, sales, and service of motorcycle windshield, motorcycle tailbox, motorcycle rim, motorcycle rack, metal parts. We are located in Ningbo City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products are recognized and trusted by users and can meet continuously developing economic and social need. Besides, we are making efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. With the team efforts, we build up the firm supplier chain and also employ the product engineers and designers to design and develop the trending products. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Western Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, and the Southern Europe. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We also welcome new and old customers from all walks of life to contact us for future business relationships and achieving mutual success. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking your new products, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.